Sophie, and for today's video we're going to make a dinosaur clay. So let's go! And first, get enough portion of clay like this, alright, and roll into an oval shape, alright, and continue to roll to create our dinosaur's neck like that. Alright, so just gently press both sides until we get the neck that we want. Alright, and if you have an adult kids, just ask for assistance, okay? Alright, so then now I roll the other side like this so that we can get a sharp tip for the tail of our dinosaurs, like that. You see? So using my thumb, I gently press our dinosaur's body to furnish, alright? And for the head, just simply flattened the top, alright? So it's look like a swan, but later it's gonna be a beautiful dinosaur. Alright, so let's set aside. So for the second part, we have now a 4 same size, same portion of a clay. Let's roll it into a cylinder shape. Alright, make sure that they have the same length. This is gonna be our dinosaur's legs. Alright, just gently roll and press the tip both sides. Alright, so let's place it on our dinosaur. Alright, let's get the other one. Alright, make sure that they stick together. Alright, see? Alright, so then let's get the second pair. Alright, so you see how our dinosaur looks beautiful. And then now I get a different color. This one is the green color of clay. I roll it and make a cone shape like that. Alright, and then I place it on the top of our dinosaur. Make sure that it sticks very well, and I'll make a lot until we reach the tail of our dinosaur. Alright, and to finish, let's get, if you don't have like this one, you can use a spoon to create a mouth. Alright, you see, like that. So just create like that, like a shape of a mouth, and roll a small black color of clay, put it in the head so that our dinosaur are gonna have an eyes, and the smallest one a yellow color clay. You see? And now we have a dinosaur clay. And kids, don't forget to wash your hands after doing this. Alright, see ya! Bye!